Hi everyone. Let us learn about the word of the day for today. Spell them together with us. And remember that words are important. Knoll, K-N-O-L-L. Knoll, K-N-O-L-L. Knoll, K-N-O-L-L. It is a noun. What does it mean? Knoll means a small round hill. Example of the word knoll used in a sentence. Two officers were standing on the knoll, directing the men. Knoll, K-N-O-L-L. Knoll.